Good morning, Sojourners. This morning I'll be cooking some pinto beans for my chick girls. The reason is that pinto beans are a good source of protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Now, it is important that pinto beans are cooked properly because the raw pinto beans can have serious digestive effects on the chickens. Okay, so here we go. These are my beans, and I usually cook them in the slow cooker, but for this demonstration I'll be cooking them on the stove top. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little salt to it. Not much, just a little salt. Okay, they say a pinch of salt just to balance the flavor. All right, I'm gonna leave that on the stove to cook for a while, and in the meantime I'll be sharing some other important benefits of the pinto bean. Pinto bean is inexpensive. Okay, a package like this is for $1 plus, and it goes a far way. I just use it as a treat when I go by. I'll give them some, and I will just sit there and interact with them until they finish eating it. Okay, so guys, I did a little research on pinto beans for chicken, and this is what came up. We already know that it is a great source of plant protein for us too, okay, as well as the chickens. Remember, if it is good for us, then it is good for the chickens. Now, this can be especially beneficial for growing chickens or laying hens because it provides them with extra protein, and that yields a higher production of eggs. So another health benefit is that it is a great source of fiber, and that fiber will help the digestive system. The pinto beans also have essential vitamins and minerals. Pinto beans contain vitamins like vitamins B and minerals like iron, which can contribute to overall chicken health. Now, it is important to consider when feeding pinto beans to chicken that it is cooked properly. And I mentioned that before, okay? It says always cook pinto beans completely before feeding them to your chickens to break down harmful toxins like lectin that can cause digestive upset. All right? And it also says moderation is key. And everything we do, we have to do it in moderation, right? So, Sojourners, guess what? The pinto beans are now cooked, and I'm going to be taking some of it out for the chickens. So here we go, guys. I usually fill this container when I'm giving them treats, and that's one serving for them, okay? Right. So here you go, guys. See? It's ready for my chick girls. So I'm going to leave it here on the stovetop to cool for a few minutes, and then I will be serving it to them. Okay, guys? So as I said, guys, it's a great treat for your chickens. They love it. Well, my chickens love it. Okay? And I would imagine that yours will do the same. Okay, so if you have not yet tried pinto beans, go ahead and try some now. Okay, I'm sure that you will love doing it, and your chickens will also enjoy it. Okay, guys, so stay tuned for my next video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please don't leave before subscribing, and click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post other videos. And to all my returning YouTubers, I love you so much, because together we grow stronger. Okay? And always remember that we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Take care, guys. Love you. Bye bye.